Passing blooming this season and seeing luscious flower beds and gardens come to life as I passed through fields and neighborhoods, I came to an obvious realization that I can in fact make my own garden at home. Having no knowledge of gardening or repotting plants, I figured maybe the easiest route is to just start off at the very beginning with the seeds.
No waste.
Should I put all the food in one section? I'm finally gonna plant all these seeds that I got. I don't even know which one to start with.
Come on, soft, turn the key and cooler on. It's a pause for relief. You don't even have to ask to be the cat in the sun. Someday
Nova!
I will see the whole deal
At her boyfriend's house.
today. I've got better things to do. Set aside every empty spreadsheet line.
We have a new addition to the family. Well, actually, 8 new additions to the family. Nova just had 8 puppies. They're so freaking cute. This one is the calmest one out of the bunch. That's why I brought him over here. Say hello, everyone. The first week I slept maybe like 2 to 3 hours max because I was so worried and constantly checking up on them. And I was like making sure they're all nursing well. I don't really take them away from her too much because obviously I want her to have as much time with her babies as possible. Out of all of them, there's only 1 girl, so we're gonna keep 1 girl and 1 boy. I wish I could keep them all, but sadly we're only keeping 2. Mimsy's still a little unsure with the puppies, but she doesn't hiss anymore, so that's a good thing. I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup today. Just a little tiny bit. Just a little bit of bronzer. Bronze up the whole face. Oh, I just got this one. This one is the Fenty blush. Oh, it matches my shirt. Oh, that's such a pretty little flesh color. I'm at World Market because I just wanted to see what they have here. Oh god, this is so cute. It's a mystery box. Oh my god. These are so cute. I don't even know what to get. There's so many options. World Market. Oh, I just wanted to go inside there because I think I've only been there like once or twice. But I got these little Hello Kitty barbecue chips. I already know my mom is gonna like these. They're just chocolate churros. I think there's chocolate inside or just like covered in chocolate. I don't know. But these look bomb. I got candy. I want to try one right now. I've been making my coffee at home a lot, so I got brown sugar cinnamon syrup for my coffee. I got this drink. I already know this drink is good. I had it before in San Luis Obispo. It's like really refreshing. And then I got black bean noodles. Okay, let's go home now. Good morning. Oh, you got an eye booger? I'm just gonna put all the package in it because I don't really know if I'm supposed to put all of it or half. So good. OMG! I honestly wish I got the Hello Kitty and Friends mystery snack box. I've been like watching YouTube videos about what's in people's snack box and everything looks so cute and good. I've literally just been editing all morning long. I tried editing last night, but for some reason I was so tired. I also had like the best sleep of my life because I slept with the windows open. This is like the only time before summer I can actually sleep comfortably. After this month, I probably won't even be able to leave my windows open during the day because my room gets so freaking hot. So this is like the only month I can sleep comfortably with my windows open and enjoy my windows open all day long. I don't know how my room gets this messy after doing an outfit video. My room gets completely destroyed. Clean except for just my electronics on my bed. Okay, a little moment to talk about FabFitFun. It's a subscription where you could get sent 6 products per season from lifestyle, skincare, home, fashion, beauty, etc. This is my box this season. I'm gonna go through a quick rundown of everything that I got. Starting off first, obviously this vase. I actually might switch out my vase for this one because I think this one would match perfectly for my room. Okay, next item I got is actually a Fenty Beauty product. This is the Fenty Beauty blush in the color Crush on Cupid. I already used this blush and it's so pretty. And it's also the perfect size that I can like take to go in my pocket. They have a lot of name brand stuff. By the way, this whole entire box is customizable, so I was able to pick out from a selection of things that I wanted this season. Next one is a hair clip because I don't know where the heck all my hair clips go. Every single time I need a hair clip, I do not have one. So I got another hair clip. This is the Sleek Stick hair wax stick. Like I said, I love how everything is customizable so I can choose the items that I want. I got nipple covers. I never wear a bra. I don't need to wear a bra. They did have different like variations of color. I don't know why. For some reason this sounded like it would be my skin color, but it's just a little bit darker. I usually buy the cheap ones that unstick to my body within like 3 wears, but these ones are really good. And then a little bag. This was in my box last season and I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, look at how gorgeous these plates are. It came with a set of 4, but these are so freaking beautiful. Each box is valued up to $350, so you're definitely getting good products in here. There's 2 ways you can sign up. Right now, FabFitFun is actually offering 2 separate promotions. One is when you sign up as a seasonal member, you get 20% off your first box using my code Isabella in all caps. Or if you sign up as an annual member, you'll get a surprise gift that's valued at $200 or more, only when using my code Isabella Gift. I'll have the link to both of those memberships in my description if you guys are interested. And don't forget to use those codes when signing up to get that promotion if you want to do the seasonal or the annual. Picture with this sweater today for Instagram. Today is the hottest day. It is 84 and I'm gonna be wearing the thickest sweater, but it's so cute and it goes off the shoulder so it's not like super hot. And I'm gonna wear like a little mini skirt with it. My photographer. My dad takes my pictures.
You gonna put that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Gotta look handsome.
My dad said he can't be on YouTube unless he looks handsome. I'm gonna try this new thing called Cozy Workout. You can do this at night or like super early in the morning, but basically you just make working out a really comfortable and cozy thing to do. I have my candle and then I put my flowers in my vases so they look so cute. I have my salt lamp going on. This is supposed to like bring good energy. I don't know. That was Mimsy the whole time.